my name is K.R. Nandika, 8th Standard B Section, Adarsh Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Palladam. Today I am going to act like teacher and I will teach one concept. Yeah, let's go. Welcome to online ELGA class. Every day you would be attending these online classes and doing the homework same day. Then you can check the homework on next day. Please make sure you have downloaded the soft copy of your student reader and workbook from Lead Parent app. And please don't forget to keep your pencil box and your notebook along with you every day before starting your classes. So let us begin with the whole word class today. Today we are going to read a new poem. The title is My Auntie Little Poem. So I want to quickly open your student reader SR1 to SR7. I will till count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. My Auntie Little Poem. Poet Nirvan Paga. Read together. I am smelly, I am dirty. I never feel guilty. I cause a lot of pain and acid rain. Stopping me, you will have strain. I cause malaria in your area. Causing dengue is fun because it makes you run. See animals die and soon you will cry. Save your planet, save your earth, or more disease soon will take birth. Wow, it is interesting poem, right? Okay, let us go through some new word. Word anti, meaning against. Sentence Gandhiji was anti-violence. Word litter, meaning rubbish such as paper, cans and bottles lying in an open or public place. Sentence, we must not litter anywhere. Word acid rain, meaning rainfall which is polluted and harmful because of pollution in the atmosphere. Sentence, because of the smoke from factories, our city receives acid rain a lot. Word strike, meaning forced to make a great effort that we are not used to. Sentence, even when I was tired, I strained myself to help my brother to complete his homework. I hope that you understood. Please one time recall the poem and new words. Happy learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you children. Thank you for this golden opportunity ma'am. Thank you ma'am. To all, my name is Kya class 5th B, Adarsh Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School. Today I am going to act like teacher and I will teach one concept. Yeah, let's go. Hello students, welcome to online ELGA class, Lead School at Home. Every day you would be attending these online class and doing the same day homework. You can then check the homework on next day. Please make sure you have downloaded the soft copy of student reader and workbook downloaded from Lead Parent app. And please don't forget to keep your pencil box and your notebook along with you every day before you start your class. So student, today we are going to read one short passage. Yeah, let's come, we can read. Nita was saving some money to buy things for her kitchen. She made a list on a paper and went shopping. She was about to begin shopping when she was a beautiful machine. This machine could cook chapatis on its own. Then she looked at the label of rupees 500 on it. It was the best thing she had ever seen. She did not wait and bought the machine. Now she can make many chapatis when there is an event at home. I am thinking so you clear with this. One time you can recall it. Happy learning, stay home, stay safe. children, thank you for this book.
Hi, I am external student D.V. Hasni from Adarsh Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Palladam. Today I am going to teach about tense. Do you know what is tense? Yes, good. In grammar, tense is a category that expresses time reference. For example, I studied English yesterday. I study English. I will study English tomorrow. What do you understand from these statements? The first statement, the work was done in the past. The second statement, the work is done in the present. The third statement, the work will be done in the future. Now, let us ask one more question. Now we ask you one more question. Which part of a sentence is used to identify the tense? Yes, good. It's verb. Based on that, we classify tense as simple present, simple past, simple continuous. Based on that, we classify tense as simple past, simple present, simple future. Past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, present continuous. Future continuous, future perfect continuous. Hope you all understand what is tense and its type. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.
Hi, good morning to everyone. I am R. Vishwa from 8D. I am studying in Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we can learn grammar. In grammar class, what are the concepts do you learn so far? 5 concepts: addition concepts, cause concepts, effect concept, sequence concept, contrast concept. In addition concept and in cause concept, because, since and as. In effect concept, so that and therefore. In sequence concept, before, after and while. In contrast concept, but and however. Thank you.